They're very bouncy. This is so exciting. My first hair collab, and here we go. Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. I want to thank Bombay Hair for sponsoring this video. I am in love with their hair extensions, their hair products. They are doing it right in the hair industry. They are killing the game. I'm going to show you guys how to get soft, loose curls like this. I have no extensions in, so this is all my real hair. But yeah, I'm going to show you guys how to curl your hair with a 25mm curler. So stay tuned. We have their 100% titanium curler. You guys, this is amazing. This is the 25mm clamp curling wand. Stunning packaging, really. First impressions are very good. Comes with a glove, which is actually really nice. So I'm going to tell you ahead of time, disclaimer, that I am not the best individual at curling hair, especially with a clamp. Bear with me. I'm not a hair guru. So you can see that it's on. Actually, it says off. There we go. Okay, so it's heating up right now. It tells you the temperature. And the thing that I like about these curling irons is that they also, if they get too hot and stay on for a longer period of time, what they'll do is they'll turn off themselves, which I think is so smart, because the amount of times that I have left my house wondering if I had turned off my straightener or my curling iron, and it sticks with me all night, or I'll have to text my mom and be like, did I do that? I did that to my grandma once. Okay, she just changed to green. So I think that means that she's hot enough. LED screen will turn green once desired temperature is reached. I love that. Let's get to curling. Alright you guys, so now I'm just gonna go brush out my curls and I'll be right back. Okay you guys, so I brushed out my curls and this is what they look like. They're very bouncy and I am actually in love with that curler. I have another curler and to be honest with you, it does not curl like this. This one is actually like really good. So I will definitely keep using this curler because I am a big fan. This is the final look, so hope you guys enjoyed this video.